how to use Zoom Workplace. So otherwise, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can use Zoom Workplace app. So for that, I'll simply click on Zoom Workplace app. Once I click here, you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see that type of interface, but that interface you need to see after when you created an account on it. I created tutorial already on that, like how you guys will create account and use that, so you can watch that video on my channel. Once you created an account, you guys can see that type of interface: meet, join, schedule, share. So when we click on meet, here you guys will see start meeting. So when you click on start meeting, after that your meeting will be started, and when you click on start meeting, let me show you practical. Once we click here, you guys can see that type of interface. Simply you guys will see if you want to allow you a camera, but I will not allow it that time. After that, I will click on start. Now here we will wait for some second. It was connecting. Now our meeting was created. So for inviting people, I will simply click on participants. Once I click here, you guys will see invite. So simply click on invite. Now here you guys can see messages, WhatsApps, and all the other apps. So simply, also you guys can see copy invite link. So you click on copy invite link. Now send that link to someone who you want to invite to do that meeting. And once they click on that meeting, they can join your meeting. For ending that meeting, simply click on top right corner, end. Now click on end meeting for all if you want to end meeting for everyone. Or if you want to deal with use upon you, I'll simply click on end meeting for all. Now I'll simply wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see, that's how you guys can create a meeting in Zoom. As you guys will see join, simply click on join. Here you guys can see add meeting ID and join it. Also you guys can see join with a personal link name. Here you guys can add link. And after that you guys simply can join. Also you guys can add name etc. So there's up on you. Now back. Here you guys can see schedule. Simply on schedule, here you guys can schedule your meeting. And you guys can share your Zooms. Record it, we see, so there's up on you. But that was the quick tutorial. Thanks for watching.